Identify error. From Albert Einstein, a person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. What if a single mistake could collapse a bridge, ruin perfect design, waste expensive clothes, or even cause death to lives? Why do all this happen? Error you never noticed. Mistakes happen, but do you know which ones are dangerous and which ones help us to improve? Today, we are on our serious mission to discover what error is, its importance, why error happens, and how to avoid it. So let's move quickly to save your time and energy. Error means the difference between the true or the exact value and the value we obtain by measurement, calculation, or estimation. It shows how close or far our answer is from the true or the exact value. Mathematically, error equals actual value minus approximate or measured value. Also, to find the percentage error, mathematically, percentage error equals the error out of the actual number multiplying 100. When we measure, estimate, or round off numbers, we often don't get the exact value. That small difference is called error. Example: suppose an exact length of a table is 100 centimeters, but you measure it as 98 centimeters. In this case, the actual value in the question is 100 centimeters and the measured value is 98 centimeters. However, error equals 100 centimeters minus 98 centimeters. So the error is 2 centimeters. So, why error happens? Error happens by human mistakes, rounding numbers, estimates, using measuring instruments, or faulty instruments. I would like to dive in one by one for you to understand it. In human mistakes, especially when calculating, measuring, or writing, example, a student writes 7 times 8 equals 54 instead of 56 during an exam due to carelessness or pressure. Another example is when the person is having health issues like eye problem. Again, rounding numbers. Let's take pi for example. The exact value of pi is 3.14159, but sometimes it is rounded as 3.14. In this case, if you subtract the exact value from the 3.14, the error is 0.00159. Furthermore, estimates, as in guessing a value close to the exact answer instead of calculating it exactly. estimating number of students in hall. Example, the actual number supposed to be 250, but the person might estimate it as 243. In this case, the error made by that person is 7 students by deducting 243 from 250. Again, using measuring instruments. What does it mean by using measuring instruments in terms of making errors? Some measuring instruments are faulty, some are even faded, so you cannot see the calibrations on it. Rulers, tape measures plenty. Example, a ruler measures only to the nearest 1 centimeter. You have to note this. So if the true length of a pencil is 12.7 centimeters, the ruler may show 13 centimeters. So in this case, the actual length is 12.7 centimeters. But the ruler gave the measurement to be 13 centimeters. Hence, the error is 0.3 centimeters. So, if the measurement is 40, or it depends on how the tool is used in terms of measuring.